Omugaso mwanchu muligereria litukone lya kabere mutienyi omuya kigima mutienyi okane omwaka bw'ekiru Ibere na 2023 no kwegena kwa nebune Jumapili yao negenderete gukwira buya kero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere ekeronge ariganete kuruga igase studio egere nkomanye asenchera yo bwenge nararia yagenderete gukoreka ime na isiko yorgongo rwa Gusii na Kenya engima lituko lya rero ase County ya Nyamira omurikito job mangi nagenderete kubwatio roboti abwasaba Kristo na baraibe Chinsa bagenderete gusangirikana ase kanisa ya Bumondo abwase korengana na barandia gosomo overseer Elikana omwenga amonomo Reverend Abel Anene babuliri umuraibe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga amonomo raibwense Dr. William Ruto wocha mabuna barai na gokora chinkwana libaga lyokona koba ase chipara gusama andamano ayo akwariganirwa na Raila Odinga asibasabeiro murembe ense ya Kenya ekerobaganitie amandamano anyare koba kagoteneniwa aso murembe bwense ya Kenya roboti ro senchera yobwikirano yo minto job mangi narase county ya Nyamira ntuchukoronyora senchera yobwikirano asamangana itamaya ye Chinsa chikobwacha kolenda sebono na kwariganeiria atalimake na sibalimo gutubwate gwetera senchera yemitandao tonyore buna Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsemo ya Facebook nabayigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na inde nabogo tweet at Ndizi TV News kwira nande bona segeke kekerebosyo egere nkomanye ayo mona yanda mange asenchera yobwenge. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita na kwaleganirie asenchera ya bene toya chake korwa se bunge ya Bubasi ase skuru ya Anyamawa Mixed Secondary School abwa somurobelio bokorwa obosemia gose Kisii County Career Mentorship Program 2023 eyo yareganiwa na obisiyo mo women rep korwa se county ya Kisii bakobwaterana nababwatani ao bechisemi nigo baguchia korwa maigelio na bosemia guchia saboro kiwa barorenga na kiba gucha gochora asemirimo barakore asamagimabo chibicha gucha kororo mwanchu muligereria ngati yali agenderete ekeraboro kiwa basangirikanire ase skuru eyo nyero mulikito bomangana maya Mildred Momanyi no agete kambi asensemeyo asogucha gotoretero roboti uru asenchira yobwikiranu korende echo gochikorora na boro kiwa ngana kibagendete gusangirikana ase skuru ya Nyamawa. Amasomo na chigoturubaniwa korwa Sechi University cha serikali aiga asense ya Kenya eyemagega yekyombe kya University Academic Staff Union weso kiali tukuligoro na kubolia serikali anene weterase wizara yechisemi kobwato kachibesa chisaine ochia Sechi University echo okwana abweigoro nigoboigo batebire abateneneri bechi University mbarororo korwa soborai we serikali cha au watatageti korwa asobrai na korwa libaga abateneneria bayago chorwa elyo kogendereria umurubiri bw'ichisemi buna erobereirie nigo batebire abateneneri naboro kia bonsi nigo bagucho gwikasi cyobisi cyabali batenenete chibesa gose finance na koene kia buna bakanirwe chibesa cyabo ekero bono batarakanwa ase egekabono.
To condone that, I want to order all members of academic staff that come Monday, if you have not received your salary, don't work. Go to your various finance offices, wait there until you are paid. These Kibaki Vice Chancellors ought to have gone for terminal leave. They have refused to leave. Therefore, appointment of new vice chancellors cannot take place effectively. What interest do they have in our public universities? Why can't they go on leave? so that the councils and the public service can advertise for new vice chancellors. As a union, we are concerned because there's nothing going on in our public universities. If you want to work, you will see all academic members of staff in this country downing their tools. We want vice chancellors who are due to move out immediately.
Gati ya borokiwa balia bautia makweli ayo abwatiranie gari ye basi ya Pwani University amone gari ya matatu asensemo ya Naivasha abo asabanto gwetane 10 basiria magimabo gati ya baborokiwa kurwa seskuru yo ya Pwani nigo bono baereire ngana kiarenge chinga kibarenge nchira kwenda ase chigosoli nigo boigo batebire bali no gokumia konene maega yo gosiria gati ya borokiwa abo barenge nchira nigo boigo bagendete konyoro bogwenya asibali batigirwa chingoma chinke ekero bali no kwegena nambache kogwena na kuirana ase chinka chabo.
Ilikuwa enda kwa speed ya katikati niseme kama hapo 50 kilometers per hour, then kafikia pale bounce ile basi kapita bounce basi karuka juu kidogo. Wanafunzi kule nyuma waka complain, tukadhani kwa maybe ni mistake kidogo. Kwa basi ilikuwa inaenda kwa constant speed, driver anajaribu ku reduce speed inakataa, alafu pia ilikuwa mteremko. Kinaanza kumbuka tu vizuri, tuliambiwa kila mmoja wetu make sure umevaa seat belt na vile tulivyoagizwa tulizingatia. Basi kutoka Kilifi kule basi ilikuwa sawa kabisa, ilikuwa haina tatizo lolote. Ambao sisi kama wana Magongo ya Pwani University tungaanza mchezo wenyewe asubuhi na the hosts, alafu mchezo ungeenda hadi Sunday ambayo ilikuwa siku ya mwisho.
Kwa bahati mbaya ni kama basi yetu brakes zili fail, so the driver alituinform that guys kila mtu wake belt juu ni kama alijua, and then after tumevaa alikuwa anang'ang'ana kuicontrol, anashika anaingia kwa hizo pumps kama ita slow down, lakini bado ni kama haikuwa inawezekana. Wenzetu wameaga dunia, wengine wetu wako na maumivu madogo.
Ange chimilioni amagana abere nigo chiganeirie ase county ya Isiolo eyemagiga yo murakero mutindi ogendrete gwaka county yo amo nenchara entindi eyemagiga nganonya embure nyinge kegendrete gotwa chinsemo au asense ya Kenya kolengana nabo bwatani ase county yo nigo batebirenga onyembura terigo chiagotwa ase metinye 3 erebosio nigo boigo chibese cyo chira chigokina koro chimilioni chimya Ibere weika bilioni yemo nuguta Isano na Ibere unenchere yemo yokurwania umuchando bwenchara amo numurakera boigoli tkuligoro abamenyi korwa se chiwodi sato ase county ya Isiolo nigo baetu bokonyi bwendagera amo nabarai korwa sensemeyo morobrio yo olikoragwa amo no mabunge bwensemo ya gosemo bunge bwenseme yemo ase ensemeyo ya Isiolo.
Ambayo imetokea wiki 3 zilizopita, goons and thugs have taken over. Wanaharibu mali ya watu, wanapora maduka ya watu wanapoteza mali mengi sana, and that picketing has lost meaning.
It is allowed to destroy any property belonging to the Kenya government, that's our roads and bridges, and properties for individuals.
And I emphasize this, let them do it peacefully, because within the constitution it is stated peaceful demonstration.
Mwanju muligereria tugusabo kwa berasengencho yokuburukana kwa mariogine chibi chakorende eyo yarure mbeo no mugavana bwe county ya Kakamega Fernandez Baraza amona barai korwase county ya Migori abo bakoboli umurai bwike makia ODM Raila Odinga gotenenia maandamano ayo aroberetie gocha gokoreka litukolia ankyo Jumatatu kolengana na barai yabo nigo batebira maandamano nigabwata sare nene kubwa ubuya ekero nero bamuboliri bari Chinsa chingikeranu gati yaye amono muraibense Dr. William Ruto na koranga barigireri chiburironge asabamenyi bense ya Kenya. Oskobosyo mwanchu murigereria abamanyi igoro yokorosie ubi na kobana ende eyengencho gorwase county ya Trans Nzoia wana nigo batebire buna nere buja ase ense ya Kenya gima gose chi county chonsi koligia machibu igoro yeubi eyegenderete koreto muchando ase chinsemo ao buna county ya Trans Nzoia batebire bachire ne chinchira chia bene buna na kibara chego chenchia obochabu na kobana ende obwengencho asabamenyi benz county eyo.
And that's why we want to ensure that if we sort the waste from sources, most of the waste will be converted to useful resource. For example, if you look at the municipal waste and the domestic waste from our homes, 70 to 80% is organic. And therefore, we don't need to go and dump organic material in machinjoni. We can use this to make compost, which can go a long way to improve our soils in the county.
Chinga kie chobana babuatani abwabo bebyombe ao korwase county yo ya Trans Nzoia nigo batebire bagocha kamaigirio abene ochasaba menyi ase county yo na kubasome igoro yobuya bogonchora eubi eyo gotugutwa ndonsi na koleta eubi embe gose koleta limusulibe ase batebire chingencho nchirororo asokorwa masomo ochasaba menyi unana kiobwo yo buranyale kubabogotoka korwase eubi eyo.
Important to educate people, to sensitize them about what we are trying to do, especially in our homes. How do they separate their waste? What is waste management? And also create partnerships. If you are a polluter like me, a hotelier, how do I partner with somebody who makes use of my waste, that it becomes meaningful? How can I put my food to make compost, for instance? How do I use my eggshells to make fertilizer?
Ensure that people understand waste affects us all, the environment affects us all. There's no more time to waste when it comes to climate change. We have to take action, and we have to take action now.
To acquire landfill, then all collected waste will be taken there. Number two, we are planning to have more skip loaders to collect waste from market centers outside the town. We are also thinking of privatizing solid waste.
Mwanchu muligereria na rayu asenchira yobwenge kulenda nende chikoraga Chinsa 10 asomaragoba bwelitkulia lero ninchikoira na iga semese ya Amayia egera kumanya mange asenchira yobwenge aliagendrete gokoreka imena isiko yeliroba lya Gusii nyora omulikito jomangi noara se county ya Nyamira bwasa kobwatia ogosasima kogendrete asenseme yongana na kiabarai bagendrete kobolia abo mabwazimio lo moja one Kenya na Raila Odinga amono muraibwense Dr. William Ruto banyara kora chinkwana eliogotanga obututukanu ne chiburaburo asense ya Kenya na baiga se bunge yabo basi mulikito Mildred Momanyi no aragenda tokobwati roboti ngana ki omorobulyo bwokuru obosemya gucha saboro kigwa ogendrete gokoreka ase enseme yigoto baisa gusuka ku Ndizi TV nero bwansu bwo mugusia se bali mwensi mugenda tokotobwate wetera senchira ya online una Ndizi TV News Digital togwakangambia mono gati yabo Kelvin Mahovi aligetukura Chinsa mocha ikolomani John Kibatimbi mono kegima Dolphin Mora gati abanda bange bagende tekobwati amangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere lituko lya Jumapili olitobwaterana komo kwene kyabona kwayanyorera senchira ya Mariogi ne chibicha ase TV yao na baiga sensemo ye mitandao nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita tuaroboligereria borobya imeyegetaseni kya Ndizi TV.